At Moorhead Career Academy, students are exploring futures in culinary arts, early childhood education, mechatronics, and more. In the Culinary Lab, the focus is on doing things the way real kitchens do, from planning menus to using every part of fresh produce. Students learn how to turn food scraps into stocks, sauces, and sides, and how to create healthy, delicious meals without wasting ingredients.
We talk industry. We have a lot of people from the industry come to talk to these students. We talk about sustainability, best practices, menu planning, costing, anything in the culinary world that you can think of, we try to touch on it.
It is hands-on learning that builds both kitchen confidence and the kind of practical skills they can take into any future in food, hospitality, or beyond.